Hi, my name's Courtney. My husband Benjamin and I founded Snuggles and created these car seat ponchos as a way to keep our children both safe and warm in the car. As I'm sure many parents know, it's actually extremely dangerous for your child to wear a winter coat while buckled in a car seat because it allows for too much slack in the harness, leaving your child vulnerable to injury in the event of an accident. However, our ponchos lay over the top of the harness, meaning that your child is still properly secured underneath. Now, you can just put your child in the car seat without removing the poncho like you would have to with a winter coat. So they stay warm the entire time. You just make sure that the back is up behind them, not underneath them. And you slide your hands underneath to do up the buckle and they stay warm the whole time. Once you get going and your car warms up, it's very easy to just pull the poncho right off and you're good to keep going on your way. And if you need to put it back on, it's very simple. Just pull it right back over their head. Okay, and they're nice and warm again. Okay, now in the next clip, we're going to demonstrate just how dangerous it is to wear a coat in the car seat. So keep watching for that demo.
There you go.
We wanted to test this for ourselves. So here we're buckling our baby in her car seat with her coat on and tighten up the straps, make sure it's really secure. I'll do the pinch test and stick my hand underneath so you can see the straps are tight. Now we'll unbuckle her and I'll take her coat off. I'm not going to take her out of the seat. I'm just going to buckle her right back in without making any adjustments. And wow, look at how much slack there is. I thought she was secure, but there's actually a lot of extra space there. I can fit my entire hand under the straps. It fails the pinch test for sure, and she's definitely not secure. So now we've corrected the fit of the harness. She's properly secured. Do the pinch test. I'm going to slip her poncho on her, and now she's safe and warm, and she's ready to go. Now that you've seen the demo of how coats in the car seat cause your child to be improperly restrained, the video below will demonstrate exactly how dangerous that is using an official crash test.